Hello, this is Lego Man, and I'm back. And I was just recently, last weekend actually, I was at the Fan Expo. It's called the Fan and Entertainment Expo up in Saskatoon, and I got these Pokemon cards at a booth. I asked if they were real Pokemon cards, and the lady working the booth said that they were, and that she sorted them herself. And yep, they're all real Pokemon cards, and they're all commons and uncommons. There's no rares or ultra rares in them, but it's still going to be pretty cool. There's 20 cards in each pack, so that's 40 cards in total. So let's start with this one. Got 2 elastic bands. I think that's 2, no it's 1. We've got Houndour, Forretress, Shellos, Fletchling, Reverse Hollow, Servine, Whirlipede, Energy Search, Geodude, Mankey, gotta love Mankey, Reverse Hollow Main Centric. I have this card, but I didn't have it in Reverse Hollow. Looks really nice with all the lightning bolts. Water Energy, D-Watt, Reverse Hollow Rattata, Badoo, Trubbish, Supporter by Bianca, Machop, Ekans, Pikachu. Oh, and this is interesting. This card is usually Psychic type, but they have Ekans and Fire type. So yeah, Pikachu, Fighting Energy, and that's the last card of the pack. Put those aside, and on to the second pack, which has Maractus as the first card. Maractus, Misdreavus. Oh, a Team Plasma card. Trainer Supporter Team Plasma Grunt. Hippopotas, I think that's how you pronounce that. Charmander Hollow. I didn't know there was any regular hollows, so that's nice. Croconaw, which is another change type. It's usually water type. Here we've got a lightning type. Electric. Leaf Energy, Scraggy, Aaron, Corfish, Rufflet, Turtwig, Duskull, Tool Scrapper, Horsey, Swallow, Mareep. I always liked Mareep. Fighting Energy, Goldeen, and the last card of this opening is a Swablu. So those are actually pretty good cards. I got them for really cheap, and there's a lot, so yeah, that was actually really nice. So if you like this video and would like to see other videos like it, then check out my YouTube channel. This is Legman signing up.